Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something a little extra special because I have two exciting unboxings to share with you. I went to Nordstrom and had a really good time shopping, much to my husband's dismay. And I'm going to be shining a spotlight on French fashion legend, Christian Louboutin. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. So as you can see, I have something peeking out of the top, and it is this beautiful dust bag. And on this dust bag, it just says Christian Louboutin and Paris. And I'm just going to move this bag out of the way so we can go ahead and see what this bag looks like. So I am so excited. Okay, so this is the gorgeous Cabaret small mock croc spiked shopper tote bag. That is a mouthful. Try saying that 5 times fast. This is gorgeous. So Christian Louboutin is known and renowned for his unmistakable red-soled shoes. And this French designer has left an incredible mark on the fashion industry. This bag, let me tell you, is a blend of style and elegance. I fell in love with it the moment I saw it, and I was like, you know what? This is stunning. So it has Louboutin on the bottom with his signature red bottom, either on his bags or on his shoes. This is beautiful. And I feel like this is so different than anything that I own. It's super sexy and chic, just a little hint of edginess to this bag. And I don't know what it was about it, but I fell in love with it right away. So this is the crocodile embossed leather tote bag, and it's the crocodile stamped calfskin leather, which is called the Cabaret, and Cabaret is made in Italy. It's so pretty. So it also has this silver tone hardware. These are the little spikes right here that just give it that little extra edginess and style. On this side, it also has them here. This has a 7-inch shoulder strap drop. The only thing I regret about this is that it isn't just a little bit longer for putting it on your shoulder. It does work, and I will show you mod shots of this bag on, but it would have just made this perfection if it had just been 1 inch longer. So the interior of this gorgeous bag, oh my goodness. I just look inside this bag and it brings me so much joy. It is so beautiful. It has this gorgeous red, not just any red. This is the perfect shade of red. And I don't know, it just makes me smile every time I look at it. It's so pretty. It has this little clasp, and it's just one open compartment. And then it does have this little pocket in the side. It just has my care instructions and my tag. So this ended up being $1,650 at Nordstrom. And so it's really nice to carry on the shoulder, the crook of the arm, or you can carry it by the handles. It's so pretty. I love the signature red lining, the interior wall pocket, and of course the signature red rubber seal on the bottom. Are you kidding me? Oh wait, it's upside down. That's something I would do. So it has this beautiful rubber on the bottom. It protects the bag. It keeps it from flopping over. It's just such a stunning bag. I love it so much. I'm so excited to have this bag. So the dimensions are 9.8 inches in height, and then it is 12.9 inches in width, and it is 6.6 inches on the side here. Now, I will tell you this bag weighs 3.8 pounds. That is before you put anything in it. So keep that in mind when putting things in this bag. It is not light, but it looks like a heavy bag, doesn't it? In such a good way. And I'm all about it. I'm here for it. It's exciting. So I'll be doing some mod shots in just a minute, but first I'm going to go ahead and unbox the shoes that I picked up. So let's go ahead and do that now. So here is the box. Now, I'm excited to share my latest fashion choice with you. Instead of those stunning red-soled stiletto heels, I've opted for these. You may be surprised. I don't know. We're about to find out. But it comes with this really pretty dust bag. And then inside, you will find that I went for these comfortable and stylish, dun dun dun, drum roll, flip-flops. Flip-flops, yes. As beautiful as those stiletto red bottom shoes are, I opted for these comfortable and stylish flip-flops. Why, you might wonder? Well, it's all about embracing the season of life that I'm in right now. And currently, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I homeschool my kids. I'm running around with my kids all day, running errands, running them to sports, all the athletics, and taking care of my house. So high heels, just, although gorgeous, are just not practical for my day-to-day life right now. So I'm just trying to embrace the stage of life that I'm in and do it in the most stylish and comfy way at the same time. So I'm super happy I picked these up. These are the Louboutin flip-flops. They are in the color black. They actually have a couple other colors, red, black. I want to say a cream as well. And these were $350. I love that they have that little, like I said about the bag, kind of like a chic elegance, yet a little bit of edginess to it. I just love that so much. And again, the bottoms have Louboutin and the red on the bottom. And then I absolutely love these little spikes. And you wouldn't think too much about it because, I mean, obviously Louboutin is known for shoes. They are so comfortable. They are not only beautiful, they are super comfortable to walk around in. And I thought, oh, they're really cute, but they're probably going to hurt my feet. These do not. These are so great. So I'm going to go ahead and do those mud shots, and I'll see you in just a minute. Okay, so here you have this beautiful bag on the crook of my arm. It is so pretty, so chic. I absolutely love everything about this bag, except let me show you. See what I said? When I said it would have been nice to just have 1 more inch of strap there. Now it is comfortable on the arm and it doesn't really bother me per se, but I can see if a thick sweater or coat were something I was wearing that day, it may get in the way. Maybe a little stuffy and uncomfortable. Now, for the most part, I am very much a crook of the arm kind of girl. So this is probably how I'm going to carry it most of the time, but it's always nice to have the shoulder option if it gets heavy or your day ends up being longer than you thought it was going to. And then these are the most beautiful flip-flops I own. And the most expensive. Super cute, like I said, This is just the stage of life I'm in right now, and this just fits my lifestyle. As much as I would love to have a reason to wear those gorgeous red-soled stiletto heels, I just don't have that situation right now, and I'm totally fine with that. So these are my go-to choice for comfort and ease, and they allow me to navigate this beautiful chaos with just a touch of style. So I hope you enjoyed this double unboxing from the house of Christian Louboutin, and I'm all about embracing every season of life, finding joy in the little luxuries that make us smile. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.